we accidentally broke a bumblebee's home. It was there.
Yeah, guys.
And then I accidentally hit it, and then I saw a hole, and then a bumblebee went out. Sorry, Mr. Bumblebee.
Kuya, there's another hole. See? You see that?
Where?
There. It's tiny beside. Look, guys, it's a tiny hole.
Where?
Kuya, focus the camera.
Where is it?
Kuya, let me film it.
Mahuyog.
Let me film it. Where is it?
I think you just saw a black hole and you just thought, not a real black hole, like a hole, a little hole that you thought was a bumblebee's home. Sorry, Mr. Bumblebee.
Kuya, why did you miss There's the hive, guys.
The hive.
Kuya,
Oh, not the hive, the home.
yeah, the home. Kuya, I see the home.
There's the hole.
Yeah.
Sorry, and we're out.